Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me once again at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces all the career options, the vocational training options that you have in Germany. We are still on the career, area of specialization, that is Beruf in the medicine on rare technique, and we are on the fourth area of specialization under this career path, and that is medicinisch-technische assistenting. That is a functional profession as functions diagnostic, medical technical assistance, function diagnostics. The duration for this vocational training is 3 years. What did they do? The job description for medical technical assistants that are into functional diagnosis is that they help with devices with central, peripheral, and autonomic nervous system. Anything that has to do with nervous system, the condition of the muscle, the heart, blood vessels, and lungs. That is what their area of specialization is. They also carefully document the course of the examination. They evaluate the result and also complete the registration formalities or document patient data. Where do they find employment? They find employment in medical laboratories, in diagnostic centers, in hospitals, and in specialist practices. Do you need a certificate? The Germans will call it Voraussetzung. Do you need a certificate to go into this vocational training? Yes, you do. You need your mittlere Bildungsabschluss, that is your middle school graduation certificate. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you, and don't forget, only you can stop you. The sixth area of specialization under this career path is the medizinisch-technische radiology assistenting. That is the medical technical radiology assistant. The duration for this vocational training is 3 years. What is the job description? They assist in the use of radiological diagnostics and other imaging procedures. They carry out nuclear medicine examination, radiotherapy, and computer tomography. They are into bone fractures or pathological changes study, visibility in the study. Where do they find employment? They find employment in medical practices or special practices for radiology in hospitals. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate. That is a Voraussetzung. You need your mittlere Bildungsabschluss. That is the middle school graduation. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you.